A harbour or haven, is a body of water where ships, boats, and barges can seek shelter from stormy weather, or else are stored for future use. Harbours can be natural or artificial. An artificial harbour has deliberately constructed breakwaters, sea walls, or jetties, or otherwise, they could have been constructed by dredging, and these require maintenance by further periodic dredging. An example of the artificial harbour is Long Beach Harbor, California, which was an array of salt marshes and tidal flats too shallow for modern merchant ships before it was first dredged in the early 20th century. In contrast, a natural harbour is surrounded on several sides by prominences of land. Examples of natural harbours include San Francisco Bay, California and San Diego Harbor, California. Harbours and ports are often confused with each other. A port is a facility for loading and unloading vessels. Ports are usually located in harbours. Artificial harbours are frequently built for use as ports. The oldest artificial harbour known is the ancient Egyptian site at Wadi al-Jarf, on the Red Sea coast, which is at least 4,500 years old. The largest artificially created harbour is Jebel Ali in Dubai. Other large and busy artificial harbours are located at Rotterdam, the Netherlands. Port of Houston, Texas. Port of Long Beach, California. And Port of Los Angeles in San Pedro, California. The ancient Carthaginians constructed fortified, artificial harbours called cathons. Natural harbours. A natural harbour is a landform where a part of a body of water is protected and deep enough to furnish anchorage. Many such harbours are rias. Natural harbours have long been of great strategic naval and economic importance, and many great cities of the world are located on them. Having a protected harbour reduces or eliminates the need for breakwaters as it will result in calmer waves inside the harbour. Some examples are New York Harbor in the United States, Poole Harbor in England, Kingston Harbor in Jamaica, Grand Harbor in Malta, Subic Bay in Zambales, the Philippines, Sydney Harbor in Australia, Pearl Harbor in Hawaii, Trincomalee Harbor in Sri Lanka, San Francisco Bay in California, Visakhapatnam Harbor in Andhra Pradesh, India, Killipgs in County Donegal, Ireland, Halifax Harbor in Nova Scotia, Canada, Cork Harbor, Ireland and Waitemata Harbor in Auckland, New Zealand. Ice-free harbours. For harbours near the North and South Poles, being ice-free is an important advantage, especially when it is year-round. Examples of these include Murmansk, Russia; Pechenga, Russia; St. Petersburg, Russia; Hammerfest, Norway; Vardø, Norway; and Prince Rupert Harbour, Canada. The world's southmost harbour, located at Antarctica's winter quarters bay, is potentially ice-free, depending on the summertime pack ice conditions. Important harbours. Although the world's busiest port is a hotly contested title, in 2006 the world's busiest harbour by cargo tonnage was the Port of Shanghai. The following are large natural harbours: Algeciras, Spain; Amsterdam, Port of Amsterdam, Netherlands; Antwerp, Port of Antwerp, Flanders, Belgium; Baltimore's Inner Harbor, Maryland, United States; Boston Harbor, Massachusetts, United States; Bremerhaven, Germany; Buenos Aires, Argentina; Busan, Korea; Cartagena, Colombia; Charleston, South Carolina, United States; Port of Chittagong City, Bangladesh; Cork Harbor, Ireland; Duluth Superior Harbor, Duluth, Minnesota, United States; Durban, South Africa; Falmouth, Cornwall, England, United Kingdom; Freetown Harbor, Sierra Leone; Golden Horn, Istanbul, Turkey; Gothenburg, Sweden; Grand Harbor, Malta; Gwangyang, Korea; Haiphong Port, Haiphong, Vietnam; Halifax Harbor, Nova Scotia, Canada; Hamburg Harbor, Germany; Hampton Roads, Norfolk, Virginia, United States; Havana Harbor, Incheon, Korea; Izmir, Turkey; Port of Jakarta, Jakarta, Indonesia; Karachi, Sindh, Pakistan; Kingston, Jamaica, Kobe Harbour, Kobe, Japan, Quachai, India, Lisbon, Portugal, Lashanko, Dalian, China, Mahakuden, Menorca, Spain, Manila Bay, Philippines, Maputo, Mozambique, Milford Haven, Wales, United Kingdom, Montevideo, Uruguay, Mumbai, India, Nassau, Bahamas, New York Harbor, United States, Oslo, Norway, Pearl Harbor, Honolulu, Hawaii, United States, Piraeus, Atiki, Greece, Plymouth Sound, Devon, England, United Kingdom, Poole Harbor, Dorset, England, United Kingdom, Port Jackson, Sydney, New South Wales, Australia, Port Phillip, Melbourne, Victoria, Australia, Portland Harbor, Casco Bay, Maine, United States, Provincetown Harbor. Provincetown, Massachusetts, United States, Rio de Janeiro, Guanabara Bay, Brazil, Rotterdam, Port of Rotterdam, Netherlands, Salvador, All Saints Bay, Brazil, San Antonio, Chile, San Diego Bay, San Diego, California, United States, San Francisco Bay, California, United States, Sankt Petersburg, Russia, Sevastopol Harbor, Sevastopol, Ukraine, Subic Bay, Zambales, Philippines, Tangomed, Tangier, Morocco, Tauranga Harbor, Tauranga, New Zealand, Tokyo Bay, Tokyo, Japan, Trincomalee, Sri Lanka, Tuticorin, Tamil Nadu, India, Port of Tyne, Tyne and Weir, United Kingdom, Ulsan, Korea, Vancouver, Canada, Victoria Harbour, Hong Kong, Visakhapatnam Port, Andhra Pradesh, India, Visakhapatnam, Trivandrum, India, Waitemata Harbour, Auckland, New Zealand, Alemstad, Kurila Section. O, Wellington Harbour, New Zealand. Other notable harbours include, Bila Copyright M, Brazil, Port of Bruges Zeebrugge, Flanders, Belgium, Port of Genoa, Italy, Port of Gdańsk, Poland, Kahului, Hawaii, United States, Kaipara Harbour, New Zealand, Kaohsiung, Taiwan, Keelung, Taiwan, Keppel Harbour, Singapore, Kilindini Harbour, Kenya, Manukau Harbour, Auckland, New Zealand, New Haven Harbour, Connecticut, United States, Portland Harbour, Dorset, England, United Kingdom, Rads, Tunisia, Rio Grande, Brazil, San Juan, Puerto Rico, United States, Sydney Harbour, Australia, Port of Szczecin, Poland, Trondheim, Norway, Valparaiso, Chile, see also. Notes. External links, Harbour Maintenance Finance and Funding Congressional Research Service.